Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install the Destiny 2 game on your PC or laptop. So first you have to open up your any browser and here in the Google search box just type the Steam and just open up the first website of the Steam. And guys, this game is free. So once this website was open, click on the login option, and if you have an account then just simply log in and just create one if you don't have an account. Then just click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top. So guys, once you click on that, here you just need to install the Steam setup on your PC. So once it was downloaded, just install it. It is the very simple process. So once you install it, just open your Steam and just sign into your account you created on your Steam website. Then click on the search box you are seeing and this you can just type the Destiny 2 and this game will show on the top like this. Just click on that and now here you just need to scroll down and you will see the add to library option on the first number. So just click on the add to library and this game is free to play. So once you click on that, now this game was added to your library. So now you just need to click on the library option you are seeing here and now here on the left hand side you will see the Destiny 2 game. So you just need to click on the Destiny 2 game and here you will see the option to install it. Just click on that install option, then it will start downloading and installing into your PC. Guys, this is how you can download and install this game. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider liking this video because this is only motivation for me. And I will see you guys in the next video.